Of course, Jamaica's Rashid Dwar is coming up in the 7th and final heat. Staying with the world champs, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce says her record-extending 5th world 100-meter title was her best ever execution in a World Championships final. Fraser-Pryce led home a 3rd global championship sweep for Jamaica's women in the 100-meter event on Sunday. Jordan Fort is in Eugene, Oregon.
After winning a record-extending 5th 100-meter world title, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce says this one was perhaps her best ever execution in a major championship final. Fraser-Pryce ran a championship record 10.67 seconds to lead home a first ever Jamaican sweep in the event at the World Championships. But despite her superlative performance, the 35-year-old thinks there is much more to come.
In a world championship, possibly, yes, in a world championship. But there's so many, areas that I can improve on. In championship, you want to run a good race, but at the same time, you're always thinking about winning as well. And, today I was able to come away with the win, and I'm grateful for that. And, yeah, we've been working hard. The season is not finished, so I definitely know that before the season ends, I'm definitely going to run a PB, so I'm looking forward to that.
Silver medalist Sharika Jackson says being a part of another sweep in the 100 meters at a major championship is special to her after upgrading her Olympic bronze to silver in a personal best 10.73 seconds.
I'm feeling good, It's my first championship. I've not gotten a bronze medal, so I'm grateful, and I had a personal best to that. I'm just grateful.
And the 2-time reigning Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Hera says winning her first ever World Championships 100-meter medal holds a special place in her list of accolades.
First, I must say I'm grateful to be on the podium. For the past couple of years, I've been not on the podium. I missed that 4th, 5th. This time I came 3rd. I'm moving up. I'm grateful to be a part of 1, 2, 3 again. It flip around, but I'm still grateful to be a part of the history. Even though early in the season I had some struggles, but I'm still managed to came here and put on a show, and I'm just happy for that.
Earlier, Olympic champion Hansel Parchment limped off injured and couldn't contest the final of the 110-meter hurdles. American Grant Holloway retained his title and expressed commiserations to Parchment.
Hansel's a great friend of mine, so I hope he's all well and healthy. But at the end of the day, I think he knows it's just part of athletics. When you put the blocks down, anything can happen. It's just one of the things where it's athletics. And, same with Devin. I didn't think he'd really fall start because I was on the left of him. But we'll see what happens, and I hope the best for both of them.
World silver medalist Frederick Dakers made it to the final of the discus throw with a best effort of 64.49 meters after a slow start. He is joined in that final by Travis Smykel, who threw 64.21.
Well, just that, I guess I was not feeling it today. Remember, it's my first competition in in 3 months, 2 months or whatever. So the movement in competition is not really what it's supposed to be. But slow it down and dig out a 64 and made it to the final. So we can work.
And Jaheel Hyde was the lone Jamaican to advance to the men's 400-meter hurdles final after finishing 2nd in his semi-final in 49.09 seconds. Reporting from the 2022 World Athletics Championships from Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.